You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase from French, meaning White House. So this is either the White House, where the President of the United States resides. It's also just a White House. So this just literally means White House. Maison is French for house. Maison. Maison. Blanche. Blanche. CH is pronounced like SH, okay, so Blanche. Some may pronounce the E a bit more at the end and say Blanche, Blanche, which is also correct, or ignore the E, Blanche. Maison Blanche is French for White House. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.